We are having something like a lasagna tonight, and what you see here is garlic. That is my seed garlic. My wife took my seed garlic. This is a crop for next year, and she cut it.
I found it in the bucket where we keep our vegetables and I thought it was for eating. I had no idea it was that. I thought it looked a bit clean.
This is the most expensive lasagna I've ever had.
And I thought it was just you washed it.
Yes, my garlic, seed garlic gone.
Yeah,
Okay.
I thought you washed it.
Okay. You mean you found it here?
Yeah,
Okay.
found it with the onions.
So, can you explain yourself how you... You never thought that why these garlics are so beautiful
Well, I
and
did.
clean?
I thought, well, another sort of things you use for prize winning. I thought, I wonder why you put in with the onions. And I thought, oh well, I might as well use
The
them.
most expensive food
And now
ever.
we're going to have,
It's better to make it from gold. Gold leaf.
so I'm in trouble now.
Do you want gold leaf next time for our food?
Master Chef garlic.
I mean, it will be like a video of that baby. Charlie bite my finger. Yeah, Susan, yeah? My wife bite my garlic. You put it in the food.
So I cooked it. Well, we have to eat it.
Yeah, we have to eat it now. We cannot put it in waste.